Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The Best Tablets is probably one of the most versatile gadgets you can own, transforming from a portable entertainment hub to a powerful productivity tool in seconds, and with Black Friday just around the corner, now is the perfect time to snag one of these amazing devices without breaking the bank, offering an unparalleled blend of portability and functionality for everything from streaming your favorite shows and browsing the web to tackling work tasks and unleashing your creativity, making it an essential companion for students, professionals, and families alike. Number 5. Holy Stone HS724K Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial views with our advanced 4K UHD camera. Its built-in stabilization ensures smooth, vibration-free photos and videos, letting you capture the world from new perspectives. Never lose track of your drone. With intelligent GPS features, it automatically returns home when the battery is low or the signal is lost. Enjoy hands-free flight modes like Follow Me and Custom Paths. Get up to 52 minutes of flight time with 2 intelligent batteries. Its powerful yet quiet brushless motors offer a longer lifespan and efficient performance for extended aerial adventures. Perfect for beginners, this drone features advanced sensors for stable hovering and precise positioning. Simple controls like one-key start and altitude hold make flying effortless. Explore further with a control range of up to 3,000 feet. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it your perfect travel companion for any adventure. Fly with confidence thanks to features like auto-return home and optical flow positioning, ensuring stability even in challenging conditions. It's designed for both fun and safety. What we like. Capture stunning aerial footage with its 4K UHD camera and enjoy an extended 52 minutes of flight time thanks to dual intelligent batteries. If you're looking for a drone that offers professional-grade photography and long-lasting aerial exploration, this is your pick. Its intelligent flight modes like auto-return make it user-friendly for capturing breathtaking landscapes or dynamic action shots. What people say. The tablet has a stunning display with vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for watching movies and browsing photos. Its sleek and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable and comfortable to hold for extended periods. The battery life is impressive, lasting through a full day of moderate use on a single charge. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. CNET has recognized this device as the best Android tablet for 2023. It offers a premium look and feel at a significantly lower price point. Immerse yourself in content on the expansive 12.4-inch display. Its brilliant colors bring everything to life, perfect for studying or entertainment. Make a statement with a color that's uniquely yours. Choose from mystic black, green, silver, or pink to express your personal style. Unleash your creativity with the included S Pen. Take notes, sketch ideas, or doodle with a natural pen-on-paper feel. Boost your productivity with enhanced connectivity. Seamlessly transfer content between devices or enjoy a PC-like experience with multiple apps open. Stay powered up from morning to night. Its long-lasting battery ensures you can keep going without constant recharging. Experience smooth entertainment thanks to the powerful processor. Plus, ample storage lets you keep all your important files and media readily accessible. What we like. Immerse yourself in a big screen experience with its expansive 12.4-inch display and the included S Pen for creative tasks. If you need a versatile tablet for productivity, note-taking, and entertainment, this device excels. Its multi-device connectivity and PC-like experience make it ideal for students and professionals who want to multitask efficiently. What people say. The tablet has a stunning display with vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for watching movies and browsing photos. Its sleek and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable and comfortable to hold for extended periods. The battery life is impressive, lasting a full day of moderate use on a single charge, which is great for travel. Number 3. FEONAL Tablet 10.1-inch Android Tablet. This latest Android tablet boasts an octa-core processor, offering a 40% speed boost over standard quad-core models. Its 10.1-inch Full HD display is perfect for both entertainment and work. With 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 128 GB, you'll have plenty of space. It comes GMS certified with essential Google apps and no bloatware, allowing you to download your favorites from Google Play. Enjoy up to 8 hours of continuous use with its 6,000 mAh battery. Its long-lasting power and lightweight design make it ideal for use anywhere, anytime. Take stunning photos with the 13MP rear camera and enjoy clear video calls with the 5MP front camera. Dual speakers deliver high-quality, powerful sound for an immersive experience. This 10-inch Android tablet makes an excellent gift for holidays like Christmas or Valentine's Day. We offer professional support and considerate service for your peace of mind. What we like. Enjoy a superior watching experience with its octa-core processor and vibrant 10.1-inch Full HD display. If you're seeking a reliable tablet for home entertainment and everyday tasks without breaking the bank, this is a great option. Its GMS certification ensures access to all your favorite apps from Google Play, making it perfect for streaming and browsing. What people say. The screen resolution is fantastic, making videos and games look incredibly sharp and vibrant. Battery life is surprisingly long, I can go a full day of moderate use without needing to charge. The tablet is very lightweight and slim, making it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Number 2. Jeazans Kids Tablet. This tablet is specially designed for children, featuring pre-installed apps and advanced parental controls. It ensures a safe online environment, allowing kids to have fun without constant supervision. Running on the latest Android 14.0, it's faster and safer than previous versions. With an octa-core processor, 8GB RAM, and 64GB storage expandable up to 1TB, it handles all your child's needs. Enjoy a vibrant 10-inch HD display with eye protection technology. It reduces blue light and screen flicker, making it comfortable for extended use and learning. The long-lasting battery provides up to 6 hours of use and charges fully in just 1.5 hours. It's the perfect companion for playtime and learning on the go. This slim and lightweight tablet comes with a protective silicone case and an adjustable stand. It's easy to carry and built to withstand drops, making it ideal for kids aged 2 to 10. We offer a 1-year warranty and dedicated customer service. Enjoy a pleasant shopping experience with our reliable products. What we like. This tablet is a must-have for kids, featuring robust parental controls and a durable design with a protective case. If you're looking for a safe and engaging digital environment for your children, this is the ideal choice. Its educational apps and eye protection technology ensure a fun and comfortable learning experience for toddlers and young children. What people say. The tablet has a stunning display with vibrant colors and sharp resolution, making it perfect for watching movies and browsing photos. Its sleek and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable and comfortable to hold for extended periods. The battery life is impressive, lasting a full day of moderate use on a single charge. Number 1. Amazon Fire HD 10 Tablet, 2021. Experience entertainment like never before on its stunning 10.1-inch Full HD display. With over 2 million pixels, it's brighter than ever, bringing your content to life with incredible clarity. Keep going for up to 12 hours on a single charge. Plus, with 32GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1TB via microSD, you'll have plenty of space for all your needs. Enjoy a seamless experience thanks to its fast octa-core processor and 3GB of RAM. It's designed to be responsive, handling all your tasks with ease. Dive into your favorite apps like Netflix, TikTok, and Instagram. Access a world of entertainment directly through Amazon's App Store. Easily connect with loved ones through video calls. You can also ask Alexa to initiate calls, keeping you in touch with friends and family. Get more done on the go. Manage your email, update your to-do lists, and utilize productivity apps like Microsoft Office and Dropbox. Control your device hands-free with Alexa. It's always ready to assist you, with convenient on-off toggles for your privacy. What we like. Experience a brighter, clearer 10.1-inch Full HD display and the convenience of hands-free Alexa. If you want an affordable tablet for entertainment, staying connected, and managing daily tasks, this device is a solid contender. Its integration with Amazon's ecosystem and access to popular apps make it perfect for casual users and smart home enthusiasts. What people say. The tablet has a stunning display with vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for watching movies and browsing photos. Its sleek and lightweight design makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods, and it easily fits into a bag for on-the-go use. The battery life is impressive, lasting through a full day of moderate use, including streaming and gaming, without needing a recharge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.